Ethereum value equivalent to $3,551.70 a coin. The present exchange cost range $3D4s and $36.14, $3D587.74. The earlier day close $3D 489.57. The change was plus 62.13, plus 178%. Opposite rate, ICE to ETH. Dollar to Ethereum estimate for June 2024. First and foremost, cost at 0,161 coins. Exorbitant costs on 174, while lows on 151. They found the middle value of costs on 162. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's end saw 162, change for June saw 6%. US to ETH expectation for July 2024. In the first place, cost at 0,162 coins. Exorbitant costs on 162, while lows on 135. They found the middle value of costs on 151. The US to ETH gauge toward the month's end on 145, change for July 10.5%. Dollar to Ethereum gauge for August 2024. In the first place, cost at 0,145 coins. Exorbitant costs on 145, while lows only in 20. They found the middle value of costs on 135. The US to ETH figure toward the month's end on 128, change for August 11.7%. US to ETH expectation for September 2024. Before all else, cost at 0,128 coins. Excessive costs on 128, while lows on 110. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 121. The US to ETH figure toward the month's end on 118, change for September 7.8%. Dollar to Ethereum gauge for October 2024. To start with, cost at 118 coins. Exorbitant costs on 125, while lows on 109. They found the middle value of costs on 117. The US to ETH gauge toward the month's end on 116, change for October 1.7%. US to ETH expectation for November 2024. To start with, cost at 116 coins. Exorbitant costs on 121, while lows are 106. They found the middle value of costs on 114. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's end on 113's change for November to 6%. Dollar to Ethereum estimate for December 2024. First and foremost, cost at 113 coins. Exorbitant costs on 120, while lows are 105. They found the middle value of costs on 113. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's end on 112, change for December's on 9%. US to ETH expectation for January 2025. Initially cost at 0,112 coins. Excessive costs on 117, while lows to 101. They arrived at the midpoint of costs to 110. The US to ETH figure toward the month's end on 108, change for January 3.6%. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture for February 2025. Before all else, cost at 108 coins. Exorbitant costs are 116, while lows are 101. They found the middle value of costs are 108. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's ends are 108, change for February's 8%. US to ETH expectation for Walk 2025. To start with, cost at 0,108 coins. Exorbitant costs are 113, while lows are 98. They found the middle value of cost at 106. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's ends are 105, change for spring to 8%. Dollar to Ethereum estimate for April 2025. First and foremost, cost at 105 coins. Exorbitant costs are on 5, while lows on 87. They found the middle value of cost on 98. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's ends on 93, change for April 11.4%. US to ETH expectation for May 2025. Initially cost at 0.93 coins. Excessive costs are 98, while lows on 86. They arrived at the midpoint of costs on 92. The US to ETH figure toward the month's ends a 92, change for May 1%. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture for June 2025. Initially cost at 0.92 coins. Excessive costs are 92, while lows are 74. They arrived at the midpoint of costs are 84. The US to ETH conjecture toward the month's ends are 79, change for June 1%. US to ETH expectation for July 2025. At the outset, cost at 0.79 coins. Excessive costs are 83, while lows on 72. They arrived at the midpoint of cost are 78. The US to ETH conjecture toward the month's ends are 77, change for July to 5%. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture for August 2025. At the outset, cost at 0.77 coins. Excessive costs are 99, while lows are 77. The arrived at the midpoint of costs 886. The US to ETH conjecture toward the month's end 0.92, change for August 19.5%. US to ETH expectation for September 2025. At the outset cost at 0.92 coins, excessive costs year 92, while lows to 74. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 0.85. The US to ETH conjecture toward the month's end 0.80, change for September 13%. Dollar to Ethereum gauge for October 2025. Before all else cost at 0.80 coins. Excessive costs on 100, while lows on 80. The arrived at the midpoint of costs at 88. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's end 0.93, change for October 16.3%. US to ETH expectation for November 2025. To start with cost at 0.93 coins. Exorbitant costs on 108, while lows on 93. The found the middle value of cost on 99. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's end 101, change for November 86%. Dollar to Ethereum estimate for December 2025. First and foremost cost at zone 101 coins. Exorbitant costs on 101, while lows on 81. The found the middle value of cost on 93. The US to ETH estimate toward the month's end 0.87, change for December 13.9%. US to ETH expectation for January 2026. First and foremost cost at 0.87 coins. Exorbitant costs on 111, while lows on 187. The found the middle value of cost on 97. The US to ETH gauge toward the month's ends on 103, change for January 18.4%. Dollar to Ethereum gauge for February 2026. In the first place cost at 0.103 coins. Exorbitant costs on 132, while lows on 103. The found the middle value of cost on 115. The US to ETH gauge toward the month's end on 123 is change for February 19.4%. US to ETH expectation for Walk 2026. Before all else cost at 123 coins. Excessive cost 157, while lows on in 23. The arrived at the midpoint of cost on 137. The US to ETH figure toward the month's end on 146, change for spring 18.7%. Dollar to Ethereum figure for April 2026. Before all else cost at 0.146 coins. Excessive cost 146, while lows are 123. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 137. The US to ETH figure toward the month's end 131, change for April 10.3%. US to ETH expectation for May 2026. To start with cost at 131 coins. Exorbitant costs on 131, while lows on 112. The found the middle value of costs on 1024. The US to ETH gauge toward the month's ends on 120, change for May 8.4%.